Good morning, friends. This is Sri Harsha from Crazy Ministries. Today is 17th of December, and let's see what's happening in the market. What happened yesterday in the Indian market, US market, and the European market, and what is going to happen today, and how you need to actually place yourself, how you need to trade yourself. Let's understand everything in detail. Before that, if you have not still been a part of my YouTube channel, go ahead and like this video, subscribe the channel, hit the like button so that you will get all the latest notification, hit the bell icon also. So let's get started, guys. What happened yesterday, you could see that the market has been able to break the barrier of 13,600. Every time whenever we used to move towards that, we used to get into a deadlock. Every time we used to come back towards 13,300, 400 and 500. Now that we have actually moved beyond that, now we have actually opened the scope of 13,600 to 13,800 on the higher level. So if you look at that, so today, since it's an option expiry, there's something which we can expect. If we can actually start the day above 13,700 and hold that, then market may move towards 13,700 to 800. If that is not possible, then probably we will be moving in the range of 13,600 to 700. We may actually trade in that particular range only. Today is an option expiry, so we will be trading in 100-point tight range, which we can expect. And even the bank nifty may be between 30,500 to 31,000. We may probably move in this range itself. So if that is going to happen, we will not be actually moving any way further, at least for today. And let's see how things are going to go about, because the global markets right now have been quite strong. And yesterday we have made again a record highs, if you can see, especially after the Fed reaffirming the market that it's going to continue with their low interest rates and bond buying program and all, and even the stimulus package are actually supposed to actually get started. So they have actually been in talks with that. So this has actually given some amount of more optimism for the market, and markets are ready to actually move quite on a higher side. So let's actually see on that. So overall, actually markets still looks positive, mainly based on the stimulus package and all. And if you look at the gold has been trading. Gold, silver and crude, actually based on the stimulus package, they have also been riding high. So probably we will still be in sideways and positive only for gold, silver and the market. All the three are actually moving simultaneously on the higher side, and probably this may continue further, looking at the way the market has been behaving. And you need to actually take your trading decisions accordingly. As of now, the market is still strong and it is on the higher side. Only thing is, since we are right now in the option expiry, so we may actually move in a very tight range. Either we will be between 13,600 to 700 or 700 to 800. It all depends on how strong the market is going to give that momentum. Overall, actually market momentum seems quite strong, and looks like actually we may trade in this range of 13,700 to 800 to be on a stronger note. Probably if there is any downside which happens, it may only drive the market on the higher side. So any dip is always good for buying, so you need to actually only focus on buying on dips, because that is what is driving the market, and that is what is going to continue to drive the market. And so place your trades accordingly. So guys, if you have been liking my content, just like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, so that you will get all the latest notifications. And if you are actually not a part of my Telegram channel, it is Crazy Money with Sri. Go and join that. Search on the Telegram channel, you will be able to see that. And if you want to be a part of my pro trader club, which is actually a club where I help you to become a professional trader. You can actually go ahead and look at my Telegram channel. I have given you a link there. You can probably join that. That will really help you to be a professional trader. I also have a program which is a 5-day program. If you go to my playlist, you will be able to see the first day program completely free of cost. Based on that, if you go there to the look at the description, you will be able to find a link there. You can click on that and join that. So that will help you to actually take things to a brand new level. Yes, thank you very much. Have a great and prosperous day. Sorry for all the disturbance right now. I've been traveling, so there will be some noise. So please bear with me. Thank you very much. Have a great and prosperous day. Thank you.